What if I told you the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is your mindset? In today's video, we're diving into You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero, a transformative guide that promises to revolutionize your financial future. Sincero combines humor, personal stories, and actionable advice to help you break free from limiting beliefs about money and adopt a wealth-attracting mindset. Let's explore the key takeaways from each chapter and discover how to apply them to achieve a life of abundance and financial success. Chapter 1. Meet your new best friend, money. Ever thought of money as your friend? Sincero challenges the negative perceptions many of us hold about money, which can hinder our financial success. She emphasizes the importance of viewing money as a valuable tool rather than a source of stress or evil. By changing this perception, you set the foundation for financial prosperity. Many of us associate money with greed or corruption, seeing it as inherently negative. Sincero encourages us to see money as neutral, a facilitator of opportunities and well-being. To start, cultivate gratitude for your current financial situation, no matter how modest. This can attract more wealth into your life. Engage in exercises such as listing your money-related fears and reframing them into positive statements. For example, if you fear that money will make you greedy, reframe it to, I will use my wealth to do good in the world. This cognitive shift can change your financial mindset dramatically. Chapter 2. Decide to get rich. Set the intention. Setting a clear intention to achieve wealth is fundamental. A firm decision to become wealthy aligns your actions and mindset with financial success. Indecision and lack of clarity often result in inaction. By setting a clear intention, you create a roadmap to follow. Visualize your financial goals vividly and create a detailed vision of your desired future. Develop a money mantra, such as, I am a money magnet, to reinforce your commitment. Use visualization techniques daily to keep your financial aspirations top of mind. Create a vision board that illustrates your goals and review it regularly to stay focused and motivated. Chapter 3. Tap into the Motherlode, your inner wealth. Sincero introduces the concept of abundance, encouraging you to believe that the universe has more than enough resources for everyone. She stresses the importance of tapping into your inner creativity and resourcefulness to generate wealth. Adopting an abundance mindset opens you to innovative ways to generate wealth. Engage in brainstorming sessions to identify untapped skills and talents that you can monetize. Trust your intuition and take inspired actions towards your financial goals. For instance, if you have a passion for cooking, consider starting a food blog, offering cooking classes, or selling homemade goods. Your inner wealth is vast, and believing in it can unlock countless opportunities. Chapter 4. Get over yourself. Embrace your awesomeness. Self-confidence and self-worth are essential for financial success. Sincero emphasizes that feeling deserving of wealth is a prerequisite for achieving it. Low self-esteem and fear of judgment often hinder financial progress. Self-acceptance and confidence are crucial. Start by listing your accomplishments and strengths. Use this list as a reminder of your capability and worthiness. Practice positive affirmations, such as, I am capable of achieving my financial goals, and visualize yourself succeeding. This helps build confidence and reinforces your belief in your financial potential. Chapter 5. Shmame. Charge what you're worth. Charging what you are worth without guilt is a recurring theme. This chapter addresses the guilt and fear associated with asking for higher prices or salaries, emphasizing the importance of recognizing and asserting your value. Societal and cultural factors often make us feel guilty when discussing money. Understanding your value and communicating it confidently is crucial. Research market rates to benchmark your prices or salaries. Role-play negotiation scenarios to build confidence. Practice these conversations regularly to feel more comfortable discussing money. For example, if you're a freelancer, don't hesitate to ask for rates that reflect your expertise and experience. Chapter 6. Fear is for suckers. Get over it already. Fear is a significant barrier to financial success. Sincero addresses various financial fears and provides strategies to overcome them. She emphasizes taking action despite fear and using it as a motivator. Fear can paralyze us and prevent necessary risks. Embracing fear as part of growth is essential. Identify specific financial fears and confront them proactively. Engage in fear setting, where you outline potential fears, evaluate their impact, and create action plans to mitigate them. For example, if you fear investing money, start by investing a small amount and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Taking small, manageable risks regularly can build your tolerance for uncertainty. Chapter 7. Millions of mirrors. See yourself through your surroundings. The people you surround yourself with significantly influence your mindset and success. Sincero advises evaluating your relationships and environment to ensure they support your financial aspirations. Surrounding yourself with negative attitudes towards money can hinder progress. Conduct a relationship audit to identify people who uplift and support you and those who don't. Seek out mentors and role models who embody the financial success you aspire to achieve. Engage in professional networks or groups with like-minded individuals. For instance, join a local business group or an online community focused on entrepreneurship to stay motivated and inspired. Chapter 8. Decisive action. Do it already. Taking decisive action is crucial for financial success. Sincero emphasizes that procrastination and indecision are major barriers to achieving financial goals. Procrastination often stems from fear or uncertainty. Taking decisive action, even if it's imperfect, is essential. Break your financial goals into small, actionable steps. Set deadlines and create accountability systems to maintain focus. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plans as needed. For instance, if your goal is to save a certain amount of money, create a savings plan with specific milestones and track your progress weekly. Chapter 9. Faith. The size of your bank account. Trust in the process. Maintaining faith and trust in your journey is crucial. Sincero discusses the importance of believing in your goals and trusting that the universe is working in your favor, even in setbacks. Faith helps sustain motivation and resilience, especially during challenging times. Develop a routine of affirmations and visualizations to reinforce your belief in your financial goals. Create a vision board and review it regularly. Practice gratitude daily to maintain a positive mindset. For example, start each day by visualizing your financial goals and affirming your belief in your ability to achieve them. Chapter 10. Gratitude. The gateway drug to wealth. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, fostering a positive and receptive attitude towards financial opportunities. Sincero explains how practicing gratitude can attract more wealth. Gratitude enhances well-being and shifts your mindset to abundance. Keep a gratitude journal to regularly note down things you are thankful for, especially financial gains. Express gratitude for small and significant financial achievements alike. For example, if you receive a small bonus at work, express gratitude and acknowledge it as a step towards your larger financial goals. Chapter 11. Forgive and let live. Free yourself from past mistakes. Holding on to past financial mistakes can impede progress. Sincero advocates for forgiving yourself and others to move forward with a clean slate. Past mistakes create fear and self-doubt, hindering future decisions. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for releasing negative emotions. Reflect on past financial mistakes, acknowledge them, and consciously choose to forgive yourself. Write forgiveness letters and reframe past mistakes as valuable learning experiences. For instance, if you made a bad investment, reflect on what you learned and how you can apply that knowledge moving forward. Chapter 12. Your inner money-making mama. Trust yourself. Trusting your instincts and inner guidance is crucial in making sound financial decisions. Sincero emphasizes self-reliance and confidence in financial choices. Intuition and inner guidance are essential for navigating financial decisions. Develop a personalized financial plan that reflects your values and goals. Listen to your intuition when making financial decisions. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. For example, if your intuition tells you to pursue a new business opportunity, evaluate it thoroughly and trust your gut in the final decision. Chapter 13. Treat yourself like a precious object. Self-care and wealth. Taking care of yourself is essential for financial success. Sincero links self-care with the ability to generate and maintain wealth, emphasizing that personal well-being directly influences financial performance. Well-being impacts productivity and decision-making. Prioritize self-care practices that enhance your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Set aside time for relaxation, invest in personal development, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. For instance, ensure you get enough rest, exercise regularly, and pursue hobbies that rejuvenate you. Chapter 14. Say hell yes to your life. Follow your passion. Aligning work with passions and strengths is a key theme. Sincero argues that financial success is more likely when you are engaged in work you love. Passion-driven work is fulfilling and financially rewarding. Identify and pursue work that aligns with your passions, even if it involves taking risks. Create a plan to transition to passion-driven work and explore ways to monetize hobbies and interests. For example, if you love writing, consider starting a blog, writing a book, or offering freelance writing services. Chapter 15. Open wide and say ah. Embrace opportunities. Being open to opportunities is crucial for financial growth. Sincero discusses the importance of receptiveness and taking advantage of new possibilities. An open-minded attitude allows you to recognize and seize new opportunities. Network to uncover potential opportunities and be willing to take risks. Stay informed about emerging trends and new avenues for financial growth. For instance, attend industry conferences, join professional groups, and engage with communities focused on entrepreneurship to discover new opportunities. Before we dive into the final chapters, if you're finding these insights valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest content aimed at helping you achieve financial success. Hit the like button and share this video with anyone who could benefit from these powerful strategies. Chapter 16. The Wealth Vibration. Tune into abundance. Sincero emphasizes the importance of aligning your energy with the frequency of abundance. This chapter explores the concept of vibrating at the same frequency as wealth to attract financial opportunities. Your thoughts and emotions create your vibrational energy. Focus on maintaining positive thoughts and emotions about money. Practice daily affirmations and meditations that center around abundance and wealth. For example, meditate on phrases like, I am open to receiving wealth in all forms to align your energy with financial success. Chapter 17. Take care of your money. Stewardship and responsibility. Managing and taking care of your money is a critical aspect of achieving and maintaining wealth. Sincero highlights the importance of financial stewardship and responsibility. Effective money management is key to financial stability. Create a budget and stick to it, ensuring you track your expenses and savings. Invest in financial education to make informed decisions. Regularly review and adjust your financial plans as needed. For example, take courses on investing or financial planning to enhance your money management skills. Chapter 18. Be grateful for the money you have. Gratitude and financial growth. Gratitude continues to play a significant role in financial success. Sincero discusses the impact of being thankful for the money you have as a way to attract more. Expressing gratitude for your current financial situation, no matter how modest, can attract more wealth. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you are thankful for, particularly financial gains. Celebrate small financial victories and acknowledge them as steps towards larger goals. For example, if you save a little extra one month, note it down and express gratitude for that achievement. In her concluding chapter, Sincero reinforces the importance of mindset, action, and trust in the journey to financial success. Financial success is a continuous journey requiring consistent effort, commitment, and a positive mindset. By implementing the strategies and exercises outlined in this book, you have the power to transform your financial future and live a life of abundance and prosperity. With that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.